Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on changing your TikTok profile picture. This is easy to do, so let's begin. Open up the TikTok app and move over to your profile page. From here, tap the circle where your profile image is. You can either take a new photo or choose one from your gallery. Select the image you would like to use. Now you need to tap the little checkbox at the top right of the screen. Then you will be able to confirm the image change. You can now crop the image to make it fit better, then tap on Save. Your profile image has now been updated. If it doesn't appear for you right away, close and reopen the app. I will now quickly go through the process again. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if it helped you and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more TikTok tutorials.